Good day everyone. So today we're going to make a quick trip to Boston Trade Center.
Side orders in a roast breakfast, sweet potato.
Spicy?
Yeah, man. So, like, go on our seat. You know?
Action.
Yeah man, jerk chicken sausage. See it there? Looking nice and lovely. Yeah man, right by Bumpy's. See it there? And I can't forget the man name.
I will come a Boston.
Right?
Look right as you come in, you see.
Cool.
All the way you get out there, best you should get. I'm not tell you, so I have the best tell when you taste it. When you taste it, you will tell me where you get.
Oh yeah, say to me. Oh, what you normally think they put on it? Ketchup on it?
No, I said ketchup. That have to look good, baby. Spoil the flavor.
Oh, same way so.
Straight.
Alright. Pancho. Gosh. Real natural cane juice from the cane man. Right in Boston from the front. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell. Leave a like, comment and share. Thank you.